So in exercise 13.3, we will study about the how the one shape is converted to another shape. Example, suppose we have given that one glass of water, and if I ask you to take one glass of water into the basket, so volume of water will be increases or remain same?
Remain same.
It will remain same.
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever we are changing the volume means recast. So whenever we are converting one solid, that means we are melting a cylinder and changing into hemisphere, the volume will be remain same. Volume will not change. This concept we will use in exercise 13.3. Now in 13.3 in first question we have given that a metallic sphere of the radius 4.2 centimeter. So just give your heading sphere 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of the cylinder of the radius 6 centimeter. So these two having different radius, so we are using here R1 and R2. Now we have given that a sphere is melted and it is again recast into the shape of cylinder. And the radius of the sphere is 4.2 and the radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. Then we have to find the height of the cylinder. As we have already discussed here, whenever we are recasting the one shape to another shape, the volume will not change. So that means we will write here volume of sphere equals to volume of
Cylinder.
cylinder. So that is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube and this side pi r2 square h. So pi pi cancel. Now substitute the value. 4 by 3 r1 is 4.2, so we can write 42 by 10 and this side r2 is 6 into 6 into h. So now when we cross multiply 6 into 6, we have final 4 by 3 6 into 6. So 6 sevens are 42, again 6 sevens are 42, and then 3 ones are 3, 4s are 12. So now just simply multiply with the numerator and use the decimal. So we have the final answer 2.74, round up to two places. And we are finding the
Yes,
height.
sir.
So unit of height is centimeter. In question number third, we have given that 20-meter deep well. So 20-meter will be the height and the radius is 7 meter. So well is in the shape of the cylinder is digged out. अंदर से पूरी मिट्टी निकाल रहे and this is spread in the form of the platform by the 22 meter by the 14 meter. So find the height. That means whatever the earth part we are taking out from the, so ये हो गया वेल, ये हमने डिग किया, and we are taking out the earthen part from the whale. हम यहाँ से अंदर से पूरी मिट्टी निकाल रहे हैं, and that earthen part is converted into cuboid. So we have to use here the volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid. So before that we have to write all the parts of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is, and that means the well is 20 meter and the diameter is 7. So radius will be 7 by 2 meter. Here length 22, breadth 14, height is missing. So volume of cylindrical well equals to volume of cuboid. So it's a pi r square h, and this side L into B into H. So simply we can write here H is equals to pi r square h, and again we having the 2h. So we are using here h1 as a cylinder of cylindrical height and cuboid height as a h by L into B. Now substitute the value. So we have given the value of pi is 22 by 7. So it's a 22. The radius is 7 by 2. So we are writing 7 7, and height is 20 meter. 22 by 7, radius 7 by 2, 7 by 2, length is 22, and breadth is 14. So it's a 7 by 2. So 7 7 cancel, and this 7 2s are 14, 2 11s are, and this side 2 10s are, 2 5s are. So the remaining numbers are 11
1 by
into
2.
5, 22. So it's a 55 by 22. 11 5s are, 11 2s are. 5 by 2.
2.5
So
meter.
it is 2.5 meter. Okay, in question number 4, earthen part is digged out from the diameter of the well 3 meter and 40 meter deep. So ये हमने एक कुआं ले लिया, वेल,